Okay, so I'm looking at the Shark vacuums here. There's a Shark Flex with a cord, Shark Ion Rocket, cord free, and Shark Ion Flex, cord free. So this one here, Shark Flex cord, Shark Ion Flex, cord free. Okay. So they're bolted down. You can't get them off the rack. So they have these like brush-ons. They have these brushes. What would you call this?
Velcro.
It's not even Velcro. It's like it feels like a stuffed animal cover. You know, it's the stuffed toy cover. Right? It's like something you'd feel on a stuffed animal, a stuffed toy.
Feels like velvet.
Velvet, yeah, okay. And I guess there's a brush behind it. See, they got that in front and then the brush behind it.
Actually, I'm told you're overpaid.
DuoClean technology. Oh, that's what they mean by DuoClean technology. Filled fine dust by the front, large debris by the back. Okay. Designed for pet and allergies. So see here, they don't let you look at. They don't let you look at the bottom. It's got these things here on the side. Those are real fine. You probably wouldn't even push a piece of cat food. It's so soft. So Shark Ion Flex, cord free, Ion Power Pack battery, one battery included. They should include 2 batteries. So. Rechargeable, upgradable runtime. Additional batteries sold separately. Same type of brushes on the bottom. So here's the Shark Flex. This is the one that's corded. $239. I checked the tags too, they're in the right spot. Invented for fine dust and large debris on carpets and floors. Okay, so here's the side of the box. 99% of dust and allergens. Noise reduction technology. Active glide technology. Floor to ceiling. I guess there's tools you can reach up the ceiling. Under 10 pounds. 5-year warranty. I wonder if that covers the battery. There's a 100 number, sharkclean.com. Here's the back of the box. They don't really show you what tools are included. Lightweight, under 10 pounds. So for $239, I think they'd give you another battery. So, and then the Shark Ion rocket. That would be this one here. That's cord free. $2.99. One battery. More suction power versus Dyson's V7 motor head. Shark Ion rocket. One removable ion power pack. That would make it easy to have a second battery sold separately. Second battery and charging dock sold separately. Couple tools. This one's got like a, you have to buy it separately, but the battery pops off the back and then you can put it in this charging thing like the drills, but it's, you know, the vacuum itself is $2.99. That's probably another $100, but that would be nice, just expensive.
I don't want one. That's frustrating. You get one and the thing don't run.
Okay, so Shark Flex corded, Shark Ion Flex cord free, Shark Ion Rocket cord free. You can buy another battery pack and charger.
Cheaper to buy a new rug. If the power's out a long time, you still couldn't clean because you couldn't charge it up again.
Okay, see ya. Let's get this one here. See ya. Bye.